Clorox Disinfectant as an insect solution. Clorox Disinfectant is effective in cleaning bacteria, mold spores and other contaminants in your home. Clorox Disinfectant is not designed to kill insects, but it will kill them. There are some pros and cons of using Clorox Disinfectant as an insect-killing solution. Clorox Disinfectant effects. Clorox Disinfectant sanitizes the area on which it is applied. If you spray it on insects, it will kill the insect and any eggs it may have laid. It does this by dissolving the waxy coating on the insect. Always use a very mild solution of Clorox Disinfectant to kill bugs to prevent spraying a toxic chemical on plants or on your soil. Long-term effects. Unlike other pesticides, Clorox Disinfectant does not have any long-term effects. Once it dries, most of the disinfectant will dissipate. This will leave only a small amount of disinfectant that will not prevent insects from moving back into the area. Thus, bleach is ineffective if you are trying to kill drain flies, as the residue will not prevent the flies from coming back. Clorox Disinfectant toxicity. Clorox Disinfectant contains chemicals that are highly toxic. These include chlorine bleach, which when mixed with ammonia can create a toxic gas. Chlorine bleach also can irritate your lungs or skin on contact. Many homeowners avoid using Clorox Disinfectant that contains bleach to avoid this toxic chemical. Scrubbing pots. If you are repotting a plant, scrub the pot with bleach and water to ensure that you've removed all of the insects and diseases from the pot. While the Clorox Disinfectant will not prevent bugs from moving back into the pot, it will create a clean and sanitary slate for your plant. To use the bleach, scrub the pot with a mixture of 1 cup undiluted Clorox Disinfectant with 1 gallon warm water.